Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online, and today on Bite Size Monday we're going to be looking at leaving comments. So comments are a really handy tool to use if you're reviewing a presentation, or if you're passing your presentation on to somebody else and they want to leave review comments for you. That way then you can go back into PowerPoint later on at a later day and then change or update it to do whatever you need to do. So it's really simple to leave a comment. All you need to do is make sure a slide is selected, then go to the review tab on the ribbon, and then you'll see the section new comment. Okay, so you can leave a comment for a particular slide, so the person can then read the whole comment, so the comment will then be for the whole slide. Or if there was only one piece you needed to change, so the grammar was wrong or something didn't make sense. So let's say I wanted to change this title, I think maybe it's not dramatic enough, I could leave a comment for that. And I put in there, say, not dramatic enough. So now, every time that you go in there, you will see that comment bar. Now, it's not there when you put in presentation view, which is great. But again, I can now click on that, and I can see, okay, not dramatic enough. Okay, so I now need to work on something maybe, or I need to get it approved again, or I need to explain better why I've used that heading. And if you want to hide the comments for now, so you get the option on the ribbon to hide comments. So again, they're hidden from the screen, but if I press the comments box again, they will reappear. Again, I can press the X. Again, there's always the option, once you've actioned something, you can press the delete button, or you could delete the comment, or you can just write another reply in saying, okay, all done. And there we go, it's all done. And again, you can scroll between comments, this, next, and previous, and that is that. Thank you for watching today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you want to hear more from us, please let us know in the comments what you would like to hear more of. Goodbye.